Hi guys, just a quick video showing you Stellarware's self-seal bags. The bags are used to protect the greeting card and envelope. Fold your greeting card in half. We usually put the envelope in between the greeting card and slide it down the bag. At the top of the bag, the flap, there's a self-seal strip that you need to remove and then fold the flap over, push out any excess air. Perfect to keep your cards in the best condition, stop scuffs, scratches, dust, moisture. We have loads of different sizes available for the common card sizes: 6x6, 5x7, A6, 5x5, 4x4. Thanks for watching guys.